Hello my dear student of class 7th, welcome to the online classes of Balangir Public School. Today in this video we will continue to learn the chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. In the previous video we have already completed the topic Weather and its 4 important elements. And today we will discuss about the topic Climate. Everyone just look at your book, page number 70, figure 7.2. This is the graph showing the variation of maximum temperature during 3rd to 9th August of 2006. In chapter 4, we have learned that there are special thermometers for this purpose called the maximum and the minimum thermometers. The weather report is recorded every day in form of graph and published in a table form showing readings of different elements of weather. Here a question is given, what about the times of sunrise and sunset? Yes, there is a difference in the time of sunrise and the sunset. There is the difference in the time of sunrise during summer and winter. In summer, the sun rises earlier in the morning and the sun sets late in the evening during the month of June, while sun rises late and set early in the month of December. Therefore, the days are longer and the night are shorter in summer, while day is shorter and night is longer during the winter. Now we will discuss about climate. The average weather pattern taken over a long time is called the climate of that place. Different places in the world have different types of climate. The annual record of long-term average temperature and the rainfall at a particular place is a climate chart. It gives an idea about the climate at a particular place during a specific period of the year. The major factor which determines the climate of a place is called the latitude. Latitude are the imaginary lines on Earth. There are several factors that determine the climate at a place. First one is the distance from the sea. Climate of the place varies according to the closeness of the sea. The places that are near the sea are moderate. Moderate means not too hot or not too cold. Like for example, Mumbai and Chennai. While the places that are away from the sea have extreme climate, having very hot summer or too cold winter, like example Delhi. The second factor that determines the climate is altitude or height. The altitude or height above the sea level climate also varies according to the altitude. The higher altitude are colder, like example Himalayas. The third factor is humidity. Humidity is also determine the climate of a place. Kolkata and Kerala have high humidity while Rajasthan and Haryana have low humidity. We know that the climate of India varies in different regions. Like the example given in your book, look at your book, table number 7.2 and 7.3. We have given the climatic condition at 2 different places in India. The mean temperature for the given month is found in the 2 steps. First, we find the average of the temperature recorded during the month. Second, we calculate the average of some such average temperature over many years. That gives the mean temperature. The 2 places are Srinagar in Jammu and Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. By looking at the table 7.2 and 7.3, we can easily see the difference between the 2. Like the northern region of Himalayas has cold and moderately wet climate, like example Kashmir. Let me give some other example, like the plain has a moderately hot and wet climate, that is Uttar Pradesh. Second example is south. South has very hot and wet climate, that is Kerala. The third example is Rajasthan. The western region has hot and dry climate too. And the fourth example is Assam. The northeastern India has wet climate and receive rain for a major part of the year. So these are the various examples of climate changes in India. That's all for today's video. Thank you.